So?
That's the main here, gonna fix everything.
And you'll have your Easter egg.
I don't mind the number 100, Mama. I just want to give everybody a happy Easter. Is that okay?
I think that's wonderful.
Cheer everybody up.
Bring them home to practice for Easter. You haven't gone back to have a word with the president. Uncle Copper was. He couldn't make up his mind which word to have. Boy. You. Here. Well, when Ruth's really upset about what happened today. Stop me. You cut on this spring cleaning day, Professor. I'm not talking about spring cleaning day. I'm talking about me. Don't say it. Don't say it. Do not say that word in my house. Word. I refuse to say it. You won't tell me what word I'm not supposed to say. How am I going to know not to say it? Jesus, no. No. That's not even a word. I'm going to be and that is a word. Why would you ever say that? Why wouldn't I say it? I'm going to be a would you please just leave? Margaret, I would never ever have another experience again. No, never ever. Never again. You used to love each other. Who? You didn't used to like each other. I don't want to feel